Hey guys, got my blaster up here with me today in my trails. Just opened these things back up, spring. Excited? This is my blaster. I use it to play around. I got a Warrior back in the house, a 660. Well, a 350 Warrior and a 660 Raptor. A few other ones, Artie Cat, 500. A few dirt bikes. This is just one of my bikes I play around on. Pretty quick. My FmF Gold Series exhaust, full exhaust. Comes all the way around. Oil injection still. I'm thinking about taking that out. Nice wheels. A little blue caps. I have the wheels flipped out right now because I was planning on riding the trails, but whatever. Nice little bike to play around on. I'll start it up for you guys. Taking this with my iPhone, so sorry for the shakiness. Sounds pretty good. Not a bad little bike. I like it. It's pretty nice. Alright, see you guys later. Comment what you think. Subscribe. More videos on the way of different bikes. More trails. I'm going to put up another video of me riding through these real quick. It's my first time riding through them in 3 years probably. So they're all grown over. So it's a little sketchy video, but watch it, subscribe, comment. Thanks guys.